Good morning, everyone. I know it's been a little bit since I did my last video. I had some issues with my asthma, and some things are still ongoing. I have an appointment this morning with a cardiologist. But anyways, I just wanted to come on here for a little bit and show you my latest shipping going to Amazon, and maybe describe a few things, and hopefully get you interested in selling on Amazon as well. So first, this is my entire next shipment going to Amazon. Now there's a few interesting things, like this Full House Complete Series DVD. I have that currently listed for $160 on Amazon when it arrives. I got that for free, so that's a pretty good turnaround. Likewise, this Family Feud Platinum Edition, that's listed for $105 on Amazon as well. This is another free item that I got, and although others are listed on Amazon new for $210, this is new, just open box. I listed mine for $190. Now there's a few things I got at Dollarama as well, like these Dove Men Care. They sell for $21, and I paid $4.50 each at Dollarama. And then there's these Playmobil hockey figures. I paid $5 each at Dollarama, and they go for $24.95 on Amazon. And let's see what else I can find that's interesting. So this is a book set, and I got that for free, and I have it listed on Amazon for $55. Now let's see, there's a few other things. These are little keychains. They're Funko Pop. I actually used them to get ungated in Funko, so now I can sell Funko Pops, anything from Funko. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, picked up this gun at Canadian Tire for $5, and I have it listed for $24.95 on Amazon. So that'll be a pretty good return once it sells. I think it'll sell this time of year pretty easy. Here's another Dollarama pickup. I paid $5 for, and they're currently selling for $19.95 on Amazon, which isn't too bad. I mean, it's not a huge profit, but it's not too bad. Now I have some VHSs. Surprisingly, VHSs do pretty good on Amazon. So this is Harry Potter. I believe I have it listed for $21 on Amazon once it arrives. And a couple more. Batman and Robin, that's another $20 VHS I have listed. And then there's Lord of the Rings, brand new. So I think I have that listed for $50, and I got that for $3 at Salvation Army. Anyways, I just wanted to get on just to show you what I will be sending to Amazon today. I hope you have a Wednesday. Sorry, I'm trying to remember what day it is. If you like this video, please comment below, like it, share it, and if you could, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and watch for any new videos coming out. I will have a few more in the future soon. Anyways, I just wanted to come on and say hi, and have a great day, and bye.